Good day, everyone. Good day, sir. I'm RGC Baguio, BSIT 3, and I'm here to tackle about 5 system integration methods. So, there is first, um, manual data integration. Manual data integration occurs when a data manager oversees all aspects of the integration, usually by writing custom code. That means connecting the data different sources, collecting data and cleaning it, etc. without automation. Pros: reduced cost. This technique requires little maintenance and typically only integrates a small number of data sources. And the cons is greater room for error. A manager and or analyst must handle the data at each stage. Manual integration is example is JSON and XML. And middleware data integration. Middleware is software that connects application and transfer data between them and database. This helps it your business is moving from older legacy system to a range of modern application, and it's create a network of information accessible by anyone in your organization. Pros: um, better data streaming. The software conducts the integration automatically and in the same way each time, and easier access between systems. The software is coded to facilitate communication between the system in a network. And the cons is less access. The middleware needs to be deployed and maintained by a developer with technical knowledge and limited functionality. A middleware can only work with certain systems. Middleware data integration example are API is a middleware software that communicates information between a front end and a back end. And second is MOM or MOM is that allow user to take advantage of distributed system. Application-based integration. In this approach, software application do all the work. They locate, retrieve, clean, and integrate data from disparate sources. This compatibility make it easy for data to move from one source to the other. Pros: simplified process. One application does all the work automatically, and easier information exchange. The application allows system and department to transfer information. And the cons: limited access. This technique requires special technical knowledge and a data manager and or analyst to oversee application deployment. Application-based integration example are SaaS or SaaS is how software services are delivered over the internet. This allows for more freedom when it comes to installing the software and maintaining the hardware. Second, data mapping. Data mapping is the process of establishing a relationship between different data models from independent sources. This can help business grow by preparing better analytics and prediction for better decision-making process. Next is uniform process integration, a technique that retrieve and uniformly display data but leave it in its original source. It does this while allowing the data to stay in its original location. The pros is lower storage requirement. There is no need to create a separate place to store data. Second, easier data access. This approach works well with multiple systems and data sources. The cons is extended system. Data host systems are not usually designed to handle the amount and frequency of data requests in this process. And the last is common storage integration, an approach that retrieves and uniformly display the data but also makes a copy of the data and store it. Is similar to uniform access except it involves creating and storing a copy of the data in a data warehouse. The pros and reduce burden. The host system isn't constantly handling data queries. And the cons increase storage cost. Creating a copy of a data means finding and paying for a place to store it. Higher maintenance cost. Or creating this approach requires technical expert to set up the integration, oversee, and maintain it. And that's all. Thank you and God bless all.